Hi, I'm Giovanna from Atlassian. Let's go through some core/ commands in Rovo Dev CLI. When you're in interactive mode, after running ACLI Rovo Dev run, you can type / at any time to see the list of available commands. So let's have a look at some of the main ones. /sessions lets you switch between sessions and view session details. You can also use /session new to start a new session. /clear clears the current session's message history. /prune reduces the token size of the current session's message history while retaining context. If you want to add a note to the Rovo Dev's local memory file, simply type #note for testing. And if you would like to look at where that is stored, check the /memory command. If you're within an IDE, it'll open up a file where that is stored. If you want to delete that note, simply type #! and then the note that you left. /instructions lets you run saved instructions or view available instruction templates. If you don't want to run any of the instructions, simply do Control-C. /tasks lets you run prompts you have saved as reusable tasks. Models. You can switch between large language models if multiple are available. /usage shows your daily LLM token usage. /feedback. Please provide feedback or report a bug on Rovo Dev CLI using the link that you see right here. And if you want to quit Rovo Dev CLI, simply do /exit.